Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be doing a noisemaker delete on the MK6 GTI, so stay tuned. In a previous video, I upgraded the turbo outlet pipe and the throttle pipe. Feel free to check out that video if you haven't already. The throttle pipe that I installed pretty much deleted the noisemaker function and a part of the pipe, but the other part of the noisemaker pipe remained in the firewall, which is what I'll be removing in this video. After removing the intake, I put a shop rag into the turbo intake to prevent anything from falling inside. I'm going to remove the wiper arms and the plastic cover to gain better access to remove the pipe. I use masking tape to mark the location of the wiper blades. I will use the tape as a guide when reinstalling the wiper arms. After removing the nuts, I use the puller to break the arms free. I use the hose clamp pliers to remove the clamp, then I use a pick tool to break the seal. this is what the noisemaker pipe looks like. I took the opportunity to clean the firewall before reinstalling the plastic and wiper arms. And that's it for this one. Let me know what you think about this noisemaker delete. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.